Ma'am. Hey, this is Deputy Salinas with the Sheriff's Office.
Hi, how you doing?
Can you keep your hands where I can see them?
Yeah.
Are you on probation or parole?
I'm not on probation. I'm not on parole.
Okay. Well, listen, these gentlemen, they work here for this plaza, and they don't want you here.
Look, I understand, but I have to make paper trails because
You have to what?
I have to make paper trails.
What's your last name?
I have a disability where I can barely hear or see anything.
Okay, listen.
You're shining the light in my face.
Listen, if you just gather your stuff right now and start leaving, it won't be a problem. So I need you to just to get all your stuff and get out of here.
Okay, can I just say this? I'm the Holy Cristola lady. If
Destiny.
call it in, they can.
Destiny, just get your shit and get out of here.
Oh my goodness.
Just get all your stuff and get out of here. They just want you to leave.
Goodness,
What?
oh my God.
Ma'am. She's not listening though. Hey, come here. Come here. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop tensing. Stop tensing your arms. Stop.
Give us your hand, all right?
Put your hands out. You okay?
No, her arm.
Arm just that?
Yeah.
All right.
Just missed a minute.
Hold on. Stop. Walk back here. Hey. Walk back here. Come on, we'll get. Stop. Listen. When you're not listening, when we're telling you to comply. What was it? Her
Arm, I think.
Okay, I heard it. Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh my goodness gracious.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop tensing your arms.
What are you guys doing?
Stop.
Give us your hand, all right?
There's all these marks on our face, people. What the
No, her
fuck?
arm. Yeah. Missed a minute.
Hold on. Stop. Walk back here. Hey. Walk back here. Come on.
I'm gonna start my car. Put her in the car.
Stop. Listen. When you're not listening, but we're telling you to comply.
Her arm, I think. Yeah, I got it. 6'4", David, too. We're okay. We have one stain. Can you start code 3 fire, please?